How to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can manage end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone. And here make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you're inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that, you'll be guided to your menu section. Now here, simply tap on the settings. And once you are in your settings section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as privacy and safety. And once you are in your privacy section, simply tap on the option end-to-end encrypted chats. Now here, simply tap on message storage. Now here you can see the option labeled as turn off secure storage. So simply tap on that and tap on continue. And once disabled, secure storage will be turned off across all devices and new encrypted messages will be only stored on your device. Now Facebook Messenger has made end-to-end encryption the default for all users to enhance privacy and security. So right now there is no option to completely turn this feature off. However, disabling secure storage ensures that encrypted message won't be saved in the cloud. End-to-end encryption is meant to keep your chats private, secure from unauthorized access. While some users may have concern, Messenger doesn't currently offer a way to turn it off completely. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.